Welcome friends, myself SV Somi. Today's topic of discussion is chemical reactions and their types, and especially we will focus on combination reactions. So before starting, I would like to ask you to subscribe my YouTube channel Gyan Rasayan and please click on bell icon. So before starting the types of chemical reaction, we must know what is meant by chemical reaction. So here the definition is in front of us. So a chemical reaction, it is nothing but a process in which one substance is transformed into another by breaking and making of chemical bonds is called a chemical reaction. As we know, any two substances which are taking part in a chemical reaction are termed to be reactants or substrates, while the substance which is formed by the formation of a product after a chemical reaction is termed as a product. And here we are observing the chemical reaction will take place only when there is a chemical bond formation or breaking of bond, either breaking or making of bonds, new bonds will take place. Then and then the product will form. So let us study types of chemical reactions. There are 5 chemical reactions. One by one, let us see. First one is combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. And fifth one is redox reaction. So let us focus on combination reaction, which is the first type. In this reaction, 2 or more reactants forms only one product. This is the speciality of reaction. Let us generalize the reaction. A is the first reactant, B is the second reactant, and among these two, by combination of these two, only one product, that is the C, will form. It is just simple addition of 2 reactants or more reactants, and always one product it will form. And remember well, it will not give any side product or byproduct. Let us study example first, in which ammonia NH3, it is a gas which combines with the hydrogen chloride gas HCl, and formation of these two, combination of these two forms a single product, that is NH4Cl, which is in the solid state and its name is ammonium chloride. So the main point that we have to focus here is that here 2 reactants are there and they are forming a single product. It is the main specialty of combination reaction or addition reaction. G indicates ammonia is in gaseous state. Here also hydrogen chloride, it is also in gaseous state, but the product formed is in the solid state, which is a white solid powder, ammonium chloride. So one more example let us study. See this example second. Here we are observing the metal magnesium is reacting with oxygen gas. When it is heated, it forms magnesium oxide. Once again the same thing, 2 reactants forming one single product. As addition of oxygen to any substance is called as oxidation, hence this reaction is also called as oxidation reaction. The third example, the calcium oxide, which is also called as in common language slaked lime. This slaked lime, when reacts with water, hydrogen oxide, once again the two reactants and forming one product, calcium hydroxide, formula CaOH taken twice, and little amount of heat is liberated here. It is not countable as a product. Only one product is formed. So this is the third example of addition or combination reaction. Such number of chemical reaction, examples of combination reaction we can study but for our view we have only taken here 3. So let us once again revise in short for combination reaction. Remember well, 2 or more reactants forms only one product. Here we are observing only one product is formed from 2 or more reactants. For example, A and B forming only one product, say C. So friends, please try to comprehend this, and please comment me if you have any doubt or queries regarding this concept. I will definitely comment you, answer you. And please subscribe my channel, that is Gyan Rasayan, and share these videos to your friends so that they can also watch this video. Thank you for watching this video.